Hi everyone, today we're unboxing the Parrot ANAFI USA, the compact yet powerful drone built for professionals. Right out the box, you're greeted with the ANAFI USA itself, lightweight, rugged and ready to go. Inside you'll also find the Sky Controller, spare propellers, multiple batteries for extended missions, and all the essentials like cables and chargers. This drone packs dual 32x zoom cameras and a thermal FLIR sensor, perfect for inspection, search and rescue, and so much more. With its ultra-compact foldable design, the ANAFI USA is travel-friendly and deploys in seconds, so you can capture stunning visuals and thermal data with unmatched precision. That's the Parrot ANAFI USA, lightweight, versatile, and built to perform. Ready to elevate your missions? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome drone content. Happy flying!